Okay, we're back. I'm going to put some air in my tire. It should tell you in the doors how much air to put in things. Not that I ever read this crap. Let's see, front, rear, 30 psi. Oh, good. Well, you know, I didn't quite put that much in there. See, this is my back tire. It had 36 pounds in it. I put 40 in it. The reason I put 40 in it is because if you look at the tread, you see how it's wearing more here than here. This one's a little bit deeper than this one. So I'll put a little bit more air in it so it'll wear more on the inside. When you put more air in it, the center stays up so it wears more. When it's running underinflated, it wears more on the outside because this pushes in. So that's how you tell how much air to put in the tire, not what the manual says, because everybody's different. And the tires vary on size a little bit. So this one here, I went up slightly. The one on this side had 37.5 pounds in it on this side. So if you look at it, it's worn more flat all the way across the tread here. But I went ahead and put 40 in it because it's summertime and it's hotter than shit. So I'll put 40 in there. Wear them out a little bit. Get better mileage. So that's how you do it. Scooby's back. You gonna help, Scooby? Now on the front tires, they look pretty flat. I had 37 on the other side, so I upped it a little bit. Actually, I think the right rear had 36.5. So when you look at a tire, it looks like it's underinflated, like right here. It's real pooched way out. Yeah, it looks real pooched out. Looks flat. That's a good sign it might be flat. If you're wearing the outside of your edge of your tire off here, not the inside, you don't have enough air. Now most all your corners right turns on the street, so this edge here takes a beating. Now if you look at the front of the tire, over here, yeah, and you look at the tread, can't get in there too much, but I can kind of feel my finger. So you can kind of see better than I can, but anyway, it appears to be wearing halfway evenly, but it definitely looks underinflated. This is a front wheel drive car, so it is what it is. So just by feeling it, feels pretty thin over there, feels thicker on the outside. So I don't know how much air is in it right now. Well, I'm gonna go up to 45 pounds. Let's see what we got in here. Remember, the book says 30. That's his bulb. Okay, so right now, it appears to be not working. Maybe somebody hit it with a box over here and unplugged it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it appears to be plugged in. Oh, get it where you can see it. Make sure it's plugged in. How you doing, Scooby? So, for whatever reason, this is not working now. Don't lose your valve stem core cover. Oh, wonderful. All right. So let's see what has happened here. Maybe the car has set off the auxiliary power because we ran too long without it on. Stupid Cadillac might have some kind of anti-go-to-flat junk on it. Keep the battery charged. Accessory shut off. Yep, that was the problem. We now have juice. So after about 10 or 15 minutes, the battery shuts off on you by the car. Okay, this has 41.5 pounds in it. So we're going to go ahead and go up to 45 because I already set it over here for 45. So, turn the light off. So that will help this wear issue right here. So what I need to do is I need to rotate the tires. Maybe I'll do that next month. See this tire here? Well, this side looks pretty worn too. Yep. So you can kind of see it a little better. Yeah, this side's not too good either. It's worn pretty thin also. Maybe it's already been swapped around. about the same, maybe slightly more on this side, but not much. Oh well. Looks like the front end alignment's not made for a hot rod use. Too much positive camber, not enough negative. Where's on the outside edge, not the inside. I tested this air pump earlier in one of my other tests. So we're trying it out on my vehicle to see how it works. I want you out for this crap, you don't run over it. Brake pads seem to be wearing good. No leakage on anything. Actually, just kind of do a quick look around when you're working on your vehicle before you do a road trip. Okay, so we're at 45.5 pounds now. Still looks kind of flat because there's a lot of weight on the front of the cab. That motor and everything in there. So there you go. Alright. So, let's see, keys in my pocket. That's good. We'll come back to this other stuff later. Alright, so all that works. Yeah, we'll throw that in the car. Nobody will look at that. Nobody will steal any of this stuff, will they? We're going to take this with us, so. Alright, there you go, Scooby. We'll go back and work on our other piece. We'll be back. Alright, here's how we look after our trip. Back from a road trip. We did a 250-mile trip here yesterday. We got a load of crap. So this is how I use my Cadillac. It's a pickup truck. So we collect junk. So this stuff is all donated to the shop, more or less. So there's how much junk you can throw in a cab. So it's packed in there. So you get a lot of crap in here. A lot of good heavy duty crap. So anyway, this is how we load up our car. So that's why check my tires and everything before I go on road trips. So see all the junk we got in here. Sportster top end down in there. A couple more forks on the other side. This Harley stuff adds up in weight pretty quickly. So you can see how the suspension's all kind of lowered, bottomed out. Gives you a nice good ride all the way down the freeway. So the California freeways suck. So I hear that's everywhere though. But anyway, that's how we do it. That's how we check the tire pressure on our truck or cab. That way we know we got air in and we overload it. So you stick 1,000 pounds worth of crap in your car and it gets to be overloaded. So anyway, that's why you do your air pressure checks and your maintenance and all that other good stuff that you should be doing every now and then. It's a good thing to do on a road trip. So that's why my car is nice and clean. But it's full of oil all the time and dirt. So my rugs are clean because I just vacuumed them. Yeah, look at those. Those are clean. So there we go. So yeah, that's how it looks like. So we'll go ahead and get all this stuff unloaded and see what we need. We got a couple fat boy fenders for the Sportster project we needed. So that was a big reason to go up and get this junk. I needed those. And then I also got some cylinders for that Sportster motor too. So there you go. So that's why to get all this junk. That's how it works. All right, that's it for now.